Hi guys, my name is Rueben. I'm one of the parts specialists here at Colton RV. I'm excited to show you something that I don't think we've ever done for a show before. What we did was we took this KZ Confluence and we packed it with a lot of add-ons and specials on there. So first, I want to start out here. We'll take a look in here. Those black boxes, those black battery boxes, are filled with 4 lithium ion batteries. That's 4 lithium ion batteries there. And this big black box here is a 3,000 watt Go Power inverter. So what we did was we put the extreme solar package on here from Go Power. So we have 570 watts of solar on the roof, 4 lithium ion batteries, and a 3,000 watt inverter. What this setup does allows you to go off grid for up to 7 days at a time. This will even run your air conditioner for a few hours. So moving forward here, we've got our whole list of add-ons right here. The solar package, the batteries, the inverter. We have a slide chopper on the far side we can't see right now. We have a hardwired surge protector by Hughes Power Watchdogs. Some max air vent covers. We upgrade the fan in the bathroom to a fantastic fan we'll show you in a bit. We have a Thomas Paine Narrow King mattress, 10 inches thick. Tire pressure monitors. We have a King Wi-Fi extender, and we have hitching installed in this already. So we'll come inside and take a look at these upgrades. First one we see right here is the mattress. 10 inches thick, memory foam with some charcoal cooling gel on top as well. Guys, this is more comfortable than what I have at home. This is a great mattress. See the theater seating here. And over here we have the King Wi-Fi extender. We have the box for the Lippert tire link sensors for tire monitors. We have the panels for our solar and lithium chargers. And in here it's kind of hard to see, but we have a max air fan up top there. These fans are much bigger than standard OEM fans, have a lot more air movement, keeps the camper cooler. If you look up through there, you can see a max air cover covering this fan vent. What those max air covers do is it keeps all the rain, the dirt, the debris, the bugs out of that fan, keeps the water from falling on your floor, causing floor damage due to leaks. It also allows you to keep this fan open while you're driving and while you're taking a shower during the rain. So if you're taking a nice hot shower during a rainstorm, you're still able to vent out that steam without having any water damage on your walls. So there's a whole bunch of other things we have available at the store, but this Confluence has been kind of filled to the gills with all sorts of add-ons. Mixed with the perfect couples coach. Get out in the woods for a few days with your spouse or significant other. Come see you at the show, guys.